Welcome to Vision Academy. Today's current affairs English. Date 29th July 2019. Let us start with national news updates. Raksha Mantri Shri Ranjit Kumar launched a dashboard of Department Defence Protection, Ministry of Defence to help in effective monitoring of various initiatives and schemes of the department. Secretary Defence Protection Dr. Ajay Kumar explained the features and the main objectives of the dashboard. Keys to remember: Raksha Mantri Shri Ranjit Singh launched a dashboard of Department Defence Protection in Ministry of Defence. Next news: Government has decided to set up two defence industrial corridors in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, which would cover micro, small and medium enterprises needs, government said in Lok Sabha on Wednesday. The Finance Minister in his budget speech 2018 to 2019 had announced. Keys to remember: to cover the micro, small and medium enterprises needs, the government have decided to set up two defence industrial corridors in Uttar Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Next news: Care for You, the Android-based application, will connect the caregiver to the elderly person. The app has been built by an interdisciplinary team of second-year BTech student of the institute IIT Kharagpur. Keys to remember: the second-year BTech students of IIT Kharagpur have built an app called Care for You to connect the caregivers with the elderly person. Next, let us see science and tech updates. Pakistan on Thursday announced that it will send its first astronaut to space in 2022 using closely allied China's satellite launching facilities. Pakistan's decision came as India on Monday successfully launched its second lunar mission Chandrayaan-2. Keys to remember: Pakistan have reported that it will send its first astronaut to space in 2022 with China's satellite launching facilities. Next, let us see economy news updates. On July 27, 2019, the 36th Goods and Service Tax Council meeting was held in New Delhi via video conference under the chairmanship of Union Finance and Corporate Affairs Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. It was attended by Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Shri Anurag Thakur, Revenue Secretary Shri Ajay Bhushan Pandey and other senior officials on the Ministry of Finance. Keys to remember: the 36th Goods and Service Tax Council meeting held in New Delhi on 27th July 2019. Next, let us see sports news updates. Union Minister of Sports Kiran Rijiju announced that third edition of Kilo India Youth Games will be held in Guwahati, Assam between 18 to 30 January 2020. Kilo India program's inaugural edition was held in New Delhi in 2018, while Pune hosted the second edition in 2019. Keys to remember: the third edition of Kilo India Youth Games will be held in Guwahati, Assam between 18th to 30th January 2020, reported by Union Minister of Sports Kiran Rijiju. Next, let us see important days. World Hepatitis Day was observed on July 28, 2019. It is observed to raise awareness on the global burden of viral hepatitis. The theme of World Health Organization for World Hepatitis 2019 is Invest in Eliminating Hepatitis. Keys to remember: World Hepatitis Day is observed on 28th July 2019. The theme of 2019 is Invest in Eliminating Hepatitis. To have a daily current affairs updates, subscribe to Vision Academy and don't forget to press the bell button below. And if you think the video is informative, like this video, share this video, comment below for the doubts.